Hey my peeps, let's make some spooky, crusty, yucky, fake meat for our Halloween decor. So you're gonna need some K-cob, which you can find at like a pet store. It's pet bedding. It's called K-cob or corn cob bedding. And you're gonna get you some Mod Podge, and you could get a red paint or like a mauve paint to make it look like a meat color. And make sure you put enough Mod Podge, but not so that there's so much left at the bottom of your bowl. You just want enough of it to coat your K-cob, okay? Then you're gonna get you one of these foam plates. You can find a whole pack of these plates at Dollar Tree. And you're just gonna pour that onto your plate and spread it out. You don't want to spread it all the way out to all the edges and everything. And you just kind of want to, mound it, make a mound of it if you can. And then you're gonna let that dry, okay? Now when it's fully dry, we're going to put some mold, and we're gonna make it look nasty, like decayed and stuff like that. So I'm using a little bit of green, a little bit of black, and a little bit of brown, and I'm just mixing those colors together to get like the look of mold or something like that. Okay, so you just put as much as you want. I'm putting some here, there, and everywhere. Now you don't have to do this part if you don't want to. You could just leave it as regular meat without the mold, but it's supposed to be spooky and icky and yucky, so we're gonna put mold on it. And then I had some of these spiders. Now I found these spiders at Walmart. So I'm just going to stick a couple, not too many. I'm only going to put 3 into the meat. And you don't have to do that part either. But if you have some bugs, why don't you throw a couple on there? Now make sure you grab those glue webs if you can. And there you go. There goes your meat. You can leave it like that if you want, but I'm going to put some clear plastic wrap on it. Okay, so now if you have like shrink wrap or something, you could use that, but I didn't have that. So what you're going to do is take your clear wrap and just make sure you pull those corners tight. Like I twisted them and I made sure I pulled them real tight so that the front won't look loose on the front. It look nice and tight. And I just put tape on it to hold it up. Now make sure you grab them corners nice and tight. You see how tight I'm pulling that? So when you flip it over to the other side, it's nice. You see that? It looks good. So now I have these labels that I made. They all have different titles on it. One says Nosy Neighbor, Roadkill, Zombie Meat, whatever. So you can print this on a sticky paper, or do like I did. I'm just use the glue stick to stick that on there, and I'm gonna try to post a link to this, to these labels. So make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.